I just wanted to show you the latest printable in my shop. It was inspired by some vintage French from France ephemera that I purchased, and of course I did a bit of collaging on it. So I wanted to show you a little bit of a difference with paper. So the one on my right hand is printed on 28-pound paper, and this one is printed on regular printer paper. Okay, so you can just see there's like a slight difference with the tones, the colors, and everything that comes through. I did also want to mention that I don't have a printer that can print borderless. There's no setting for it. If you do, then of course all this will have no border on it. However, this is the border that you would get when you print it out. Okay, so I'm just going to flip through it so you see the pages that are in the kit. And I made sure that I had a lot of pieces you can cut out for ephemera. This again is printed on regular photocopy paper. This could be a nice journaling page. I was playing around with my printer borders, etc., but yours will be, as I mentioned at the beginning, it will show exactly with the borders I showed. Loving the birds, and I did some areas that you can use as like washi tape as well, and certainly you can cut out spaces and just use this almost like, you know, as an additional piece if you're collaging or anything. The numbers, this one again, it's a document. You've got some vintage items here, and then this beautiful print. And then this one again, you can use it as washi tape or just as is. You can cut these out for pieces and then just use them as collage pieces. And then you have this one that of course you can bend onto a journal page, or again just chop it up and use it in your projects. So I will be coming back sharing some projects that I'm making with some of these, but I hope you like my latest printable. Check out my shop. I will link everything in the description box below, and I'll see you very soon. Thanks so much for stopping by.